Hello students, welcome back to the class. Actually, I got a message from the student that ma'am, please tell us how to construct the angle of 135 degree and 150 degree. So I am making this video to clear this doubt. So let us start. First angle which we have to make is 135 degree. So first of all, think how we can split 135. You can make it like 120 plus 15 degrees. It gives you 135. Or you can make it 90 plus 45 degree. That also gives you 135 degree. Right? So what I suggest, easiest option is the second one. If we go 9. Let us start. Take your ruler and the rounder. Make the baseline. Okay. Make the baseline. Mark arrow and name it. Let us name it OA. First of all, we are going to make 90 degree. Okay. On this line OA, let us make 90 degrees. So how to start? Take a point on the center or somewhere near to the center. I am taking the point here M. With M as center and the suitable distance, suitable radius, make an arc on the both side of the line. Right side also and left side also. Okay, right side and left side. In part 3, I already told you how to construct 90 degree. So from M as center, make an arrow with a suitable radius on both the side. Now, open your rounder little bit more than the previous setting. With A as center, make an arc above the line. Okay, wherever it is coming. With O as center also, wherever this red arc is, make an arc above the line on the previous arc. From this point, make an arc. From this point also make an arc. Wherever it is joining, intersecting, let us name it N. Join MN. So let us join it. I am making dotted line because it is not our final angle. Okay. It has been rubbed here. Redo the line. Yeah. So this is our 90 degree both the side. You can check out with the help of the protractor. This is 90 degree. Now after 90 we have to add 45 more. So how you can add 45? This side it is 90. We have to take half of this 90 also. So we are going to bisect the other side of 90 into two parts. We will get 45 degree. So let us bisect. Open your rounder with the suitable radius. Keep it at M. Keep it at M and make an arc on the second side of 90 degree. Okay, second half, this 90 degree angle. With M as center, make an arc of suitable radius. Let us name it. This point let us name P, and here this another point let us name it Q. Now with same rounder setting, I am not going to disturb it. With P as center, make an arc in the interior of the 90 degree angle. With Q as center also, make an arc in the interior of 90 degree angle. In your textbook, you must have observed it is written open the rounder more than half. More than half of PQ. If you open the rounder little bit more from the previous setting, then also you will get the correct construction. Done? Now, wherever it is intersecting, let us name it MNO. Okay, let us name it X. Join MX. Our next step is join MX. Now this is our final construction. So I have made it with bold line. First, this is 90 degree. Second, this side we got 45 degree. 45 degree each. So 90 plus 45 together gives us 135 degree. So this is our required angle of 135 degree. So please try it one time, two time. you will get it very nicely in one go only. Now second is 150 degree. Now first split it. How we can make 150 degree? We can make it 120 plus 30 gives us 150 degree. Another way we can make 90 plus 60 also. It also gives us 150 degree. Whichever way you can try, both are easy. So I am trying this one. First one, 120 plus 30 degree. Let us start. Make the base ray. 120 double of 60, right? Base ray. Increasing it a little bit more so that it is clearly visible to you all. Let us name it O A. With O as center, we have to make an arc. Okay, let us make. Take your rounder, suitable radius. With O as center, make an arc which is falling on OA. Falling on OA. Keep the same rounder setting wherever it is falling. Let us name it X. With X as center, make first arc on the red arc. Here, let us name it Y. It is 60 degree. With Y as center, make one more arc. Let us name it Z. First is 60 and this is double of 60, gives us 120 degree, right? So let us first join it. Z and O. ZO I am going to join. This is not the final angle, so we are joining it with dotted line. Here I am writing Z. So this is 120 degree. Now after 120 we need 30 more. What is the angle made on the straight line? It is 180. 120 we have already made. So what is left here? 180 minus 120, that means this side it is 60 degree. So this side angle is 60 degree. And we will bisect 60, we will get half of it 30 degree. So how we will bisect? Let us start. First of all, for our convenience, let us increase the line so that we get 60 degree. But ensure that you are increasing it just exact the straight. Okay, so this way I have increased it. Now this side angle is 60 degree. That is why we can say 60 plus 120 straight line angle gives us 180 degree. Now we have to bisect 60 degree. Now roll of rounder. Open your rounder and make an arc. Any suitable radius. With O as center, make an arc. Rubbing this and making one arc. Here. Let us name these points. I am naming it P and here R. With P as center, open your rounder a little bit more, or you can keep the same rounder setting, it won't affect. With P as center, make an arc in the inside of the angle, and with R as center also make an arc in the inside of angle. From P, one arc, from R also one arc. Wherever they are intersecting, let us name it B. Okay, I am naming it B. Now join BO. Taking the scale. Join BO is our final construction. That is why joining it with the bold line. BO. Here 120, red color one you can see, and this is half of 60. So this is also 30 degree and above also this is 30 degree. Both are 30. 30 plus 120, final angle is your 150 degree. So what we have made, first 120 degree, then 30 degree gives us 150 degree angle. And here what we did, first we made 90 degree, then half of the other 90, which is 45 degree, gives us 135 degree. So I hope the concept is clear to you, how we have made 150 degree and 135 degree. The steps of construction I have already explained you. Write very nicely, easily in your language, but ensure all the mathematical terms are used in it. You can check out the video of part 1 and part 2, I have explained how to write the steps of construction. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Math Time. Welcome, ma'am.